Apple off the 2-minute right here. That was somewhere in this candle, right? Don't know where. You just say the bottom. Don't know. Doesn't matter. It comes down, pulls back, get rid of half. 50. Goes down, pulls back, get rid of more. Goes down, pulls back, get rid of more. Now you're on the last run. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Makes sense to me. It's exactly what I did. Yep.
Still at 200% on my last 2 calls.
That's awesome. And this is what's cool. Think about this. Now you have 10% left.
Puts.
Yep. Even if this decided to come back, it's only 10% of your original trade. Even on a giant return like this, it doesn't take hardly any of that money away from you. You've only got 10% of the weight that you had going this way, right? So this is 90% of the weight going down, right? For your profit, because this is a put. And now when it comes back, only 10% of it, only 10% is coming back against you. Does that make sense?